going to show you how to create a spotlight effect in Photoshop. So what you have to do here is let's create a new layer first. And for this layer, I'm going to click on here, right click actually, and select rectangular. And I'm going to hold control and use the, not control, sorry, alt, and then use the middle middle wheel on your mouse, and then here I can drag this like this. Now I can select also here, it's fixed, so there's no problem there. And now here what we can do is now is to click on this gradient tool. So click on gradient, and here in for this gradient, what I would like to do is actually to just change this. So a new gradient, and let's select also classical gradient. And now I'm gonna delete this one. This one, if you grab and drag it down, you'll be able to delete it. And now also just double click here and select white. All right, now okay, and add your gradient. Now here is very important. Here is very important to, for you can add actually another one here, and this one here for this color. It doesn't matter which color it is, but if it's nothing, then when you drag this, as I showed you before, you're gonna add a white rectangle, which is not something we want. So make sure here you add this stops, and then you double click here, and then you drag the opacity to 0, and then you click on OK. Now, when you create this, you're gonna have this effect. Make sure you check here reverse if you're getting this effect. And now, the next step is to, now here what you have to do is just to click Control plus D. And make sure you also click Control plus D to deselect. If you still have this selected, Control plus D, and now Control plus D. And now we can just resize this. You can click on perspective and drag this the way you want. You should position this okay, and then let's save this. Control plus D again. Can resize even more. Depends now type of effect you are going for. Yeah, let's say something like this. And also here in normal, make sure you click on overlay. And the second thing that you have to do is to go to filter and blur and Gaussian blur, because we have this sharp, really sharp edges here. This one here. Now if you go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, now you can remove this sharp. You can add like a feather. From this to this. Something like this. You can still resize this. Can still move this, of course. So can still also rotate this. Hold Control and drag one of these points. Yeah. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.